Hey Unity Tigers, we're so excited to share with you everything that's been going on this school year. We just finished up our winter map and we can't wait to see how much our students have grown.
Tigers, doors open at 7:10. As a reminder, please make sure you're dressing for the weather and here on time.
Access testing is on January 21st. It's a multi-day test, so please make sure you're well rested, get plenty of sleep, and you bring your Chromebook charged.
We were very excited to see so many parents at our open house earlier this year and our first round of student-teacher conferences. We hope to see as many, if not more, February 25th here at Unity for more conferences. We will also have information about graduation coming out soon on Parent Square.
Since the beginning of the year, students have earned over 200,000 Hero Points. So Tigers, keep following those expectations to earn those points to use in our school store.
Parents and guardians, do not forget to update your contact information. That means updating email, phone numbers, addresses, school pickups. Very important that you get the information from us.
Please remember to download the Parent Square app. Remind no longer exists. We do not want you missing out on important information like our next family night, February 19th, I Love Art.
Hi everybody. I was just thinking that I had so much fun at the dance that we're going to do it again in spring. Also, parents, we're going to have some coffee talks, so please join us. Lastly, students, please don't forget to wear your uniform as you're supposed to.
Hey everyone, we had many students make the honor roll for behavior and academics. Congrats to all of you. We can't wait to see what you do in the next quarter ahead. Again, talking about sports, great time and opportunity to get involved, do a sport, do an activity, come on out. Congrats to our 7th and 8th grade boys soccer teams that both won the class championship.
We made great progress for the first half of the year. Let's come back and have a great second half of the year. Please think and talk about those college and career goals. See you soon.
It's a great day to be a Tiger.